Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I will show you how you can apply a protection to your camera lenses at the back. Now I will be using one that came included with this screen protector. Actually, from what I've already seen, because I did apply a tempered glass to it, this is actually a pretty nice one that I got. So I do recommend this company, honestly. It's not sponsored or anything like that. It just honestly did provide a decent value right here. So we have in here two different tempered glasses that came in the package, and we have the little lens protection along with the decent accessories, if I might call this like that. So just to kind of showcase this, take that out. So there's our little lens that we'll be using. We also have a microfiber cloth. We had wet wipes. We have the stickers. We have another wet wipe, and there's the secondary screen protector still that I have one. There's one applied, one in here left over. So if that one breaks, you always have another one to replace it. Now, unfortunately, when it comes to camera lens protection, there's only one. Hopefully, we don't need another one. I think if a screen or something is about to happen, it's most likely going to happen to the tempered glass rather than this, just because the glass that they did give us is super thin, just so your fingerprint sensor can work. With a thicker glass, fingerprint sensor stops working. So yeah. And this one I also tested. The screen, the tempered glass that came provided here is thin enough that our fingerprint sensor works, as you can see. So there we go. Now I'm gonna bring this little foam back, and I just dropped something. Oh, I know what I dropped. And this our little lens protector just fell out on the ground. Hopefully I don't run over. Okay, good. It didn't fall under my chair, so there we go. So this is our little lens right here protection. It's a single piece, as you can see. So we don't need to like put on three different ones. It's just a single one. So that's pretty nice. I do recommend using for this our little microfiber cloth, just to get every kind of like smudges from our lenses. I'll give it a good wipe also on the glass itself around here, just because this little guy will be sticking strictly to the glass around the lenses. Now, one thing that I would recommend actually doing is using these wet wipes. They include alcohol, which will get rid of any kind of just sweat or like just finger grime that you might be on the actual like phone. Which obviously would lower the adhesive capabilities of this little thing. So alcohol will just remove all the like just moisture from your skin and stuff like that that might be here, and just keep the glass itself. If that makes sense. But anyway, this phone is basically brand new, so there is not much here. So I'm not even gonna open that up, and I'll just jump straight to applying this now. And there's a little bit of a hairpiece, so I'm gonna try to get rid of it before I do anything. There we go. And just simply place it over. Now you will need to wiggle it around a little bit just so it fits over the lenses. Push it down. And there we go. There's a little wipe right over here. Now that is unfortunate. There is a tiniest bit of a dust particle right here. I thought that it was on top because it was like visible right when I peeled it off, when I hovered over it. So I thought that it's on top, but it looks like it was on the bottom, which is unfortunate. And also taking this off would be very risky, just because once I lift it up, I can't really just use this to try to like fiddle around in there, just because all around that hole will be just glue that is used to stick to the phone. So I think I'm just gonna risk it and keep the little dust particle in there. I don't know if you can actually pick it up. Let's see. You can see it like right here. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but I don't think this will like make any kind of negative impact on the camera right here, any kind of like degradation of photos. It's small enough and to the side enough that I don't think it's gonna affect photos whatsoever. But anyway, this is how you would apply your little lens protection. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.